In this video, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube video quality permanently on your TV, so you can enjoy your preferred resolution without having to adjust it every time you watch a video. Let's get started. By default, YouTube adjusts video quality based on your internet speed, but you can manually set it to a specific resolution that suits your preferences and TV capabilities. To begin, open the YouTube app on your smart TV, streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, or gaming console. Start playing any video, and once it begins, look for the gear-shaped settings icon in the playback controls. Click on it to open the Quality Settings menu. Here you'll see options like 1080p, 4K, or Auto, depending on your TV and the video's availability. Select your preferred resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, to apply it to the current video. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't currently offer a built-in way to set video quality permanently across all videos. However, there are workarounds. For example, if you're using a browser on your TV, like Chrome or Edge, you can install extensions like Enhancer for YouTube or similar tools that allow you to lock a specific resolution for all videos. Alternatively, ensure your TV or streaming device is connected to a stable, high-speed internet connection to minimize automatic downgrades in quality. If you're using the YouTube mobile app to cast videos to your TV, you can adjust the quality from your phone before casting. Go to the video's settings, select your desired resolution, and then cast it to your TV. The chosen quality should carry over. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on optimizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope setting YouTube video quality on your TV is now easier for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.